Click on the link your instructor has provided you to their personal WebEx room. This will bring up a screen that invites you to install the Cisco WebEx Meetings app. Notice in the bottom left corner of the screen. It asks you to click here to install the app, so after it's downloaded you should do that. Then you'll see this screen that will show you the progress of the download. This brings up the screen that enables you to enter your instructor's personal room, so click on that link and this will bring up the screen where you enter your information. Type your name as you want it to appear in the personal room, and next type your PPCC email. Make sure it's your official school email, and then press enter, and that will bring up the next button which you want to click on. When you click on next, you're going to go through a series of questions. It's going to ask you about setting up your computer. So if this is the first time, which it is, you might have to set up your computer for audio. You can choose that. If you have a webcam, you will also be asked to set your webcam up for WebEx. You can get rid of your information boxes by clicking OK, and then it'll bring up the next one. It's a very good practice to mute your microphone when you join a meeting. Sometimes if you are not muted and you join the meeting, it causes a screaming sound for everyone else in the room, so just mute your microphone, although your instructor can mute you after you enter the meeting if something goes wrong or you forget how to do it. That brings me to the personal room of the instructor, and I've noticed that I'm not muted, so I can click on that and it tells me in the box there that I am muted. The next one over is the webcam, so if you cannot see the picture of yourself, you might want to click on that. I don't have a webcam, so it's not going to be operational for me. Now we're going to skip a button and go to the participants button. When I click on that, you can see up here that I can see the instructor, Carol Jonas Morrison, and myself, Arnie Aardvark. The next button along is the chat button. So if I click on that, you can see that I can click up here and choose to chat with everyone in the class by typing in the message area. If I just want to chat with one person, I put my mouse over the person I want to talk to and click on the chat bubble, looks like a comic chat bubble, and type my message. When I press this the More Options button with the 3 dots, sometimes called an ellipsis, so if I click on that, I can raise my hand and the instructor will see that my hand is up. Let's say multiple students raised their hands at the same time and your question got answered. If you click on it again, you can lower your hand and the instructor will see that your hand is no longer raised. Now you might want to share something with the group, or sometimes you might use WebEx for a one-on-one meeting with your instructor, and if you hit the Share Content button right here, you'll be given several options. I suggest you share your screen, and when this comes up, you could have your entire screen, your application window, or whatever web browser you're using. I'm going to choose to share an application window from Microsoft Word. And what happens there is everyone in the meeting will now see your document. Your document will have taken over the entire meeting. If you want to stop sharing, click Stop Sharing. Finally, if you want to exit the meeting, you click the Leave button, click on that, and then choose to leave the meeting.